Now for this next bit then, we've got to calculate the values of a and b in the regression line y equals a plus bx. Now to do this, always turn to b first of all. B is given by sxy divided by sxx, so hence the reason why we had to work out what sxy and sxx was in the first part of the question, and I've written those values back in our summary statistics here. So if we work out that sxy, then we're going to have 153.9 divided by sxx, which was 19.9, and if you do that, you'll find that you get 7.73366. That's the unrounded version. We're told to round it though to 2 decimal places, so that's going to be 7.73 then to 2 dp. So that's our value of b. Now when it comes to working out the value of a, what we should know is that if you've got any regression line, say y on x, and your line is something like this, and you've got your points scattered about this line, okay, there's one point in particular that always lies on this line, okay, whether it be in this table or not, it is always the mean of x, x bar, and the mean of y, y bar. And it's this fact that we use to calculate a, because if this point lies on this regression line y equals a plus bx, then we know that y bar must equal a plus b x bar. You can substitute these values in and it must satisfy that equation. So if we were to rearrange that equation for a, you can see that a equals y bar minus b x bar. So that's very easy now, because all we need to do is just work out what y bar is. That would be the sum of y divided by n, which is 10. So that's going to be 406 divided by 10, or 40.6, minus b. B we know is 7.73, but don't use that. Use the unrounded version to save any rounding errors. So we've got 7.73366 and so on, and that is multiplied by x bar. X bar, sum of x, 41 divided by 10. Okay, 41 over 10. And if you work that out, what you should find you get is 8.89195 and so on. And if you were to round that to the 2 decimal places, which we're told to do, that'd be 8.89 then to 2 decimal places, 2 dp. Now we were asked to work out just a and b, but that means that the regression line, okay, we could say is therefore going to be that y equals a, being 8.89 then, plus b times x, and we know that b is 7.73 times x. Okay, so that's our regression line with our values a and b calculated.